You might think that I'm just going to suggest you an app or few easy ways to start creating. But wait man, there's something even more which you will know by the end of the video. I have created more than 19 videos and spent more than 4 months as a creator. And today I will share how I make videos easily and for free as a beginner, which you can master easily in just 1 hour. Becoming a YouTuber is a dream for many people. It was for me as well. But sometimes it feels impossible because they don't have the right tools or computer. Something you need expensive devices and tools to make good videos like me of course. While others believe that with the right skills anyone can do it. However, many aspiring creators face challenges like not having to access to good computer or cameras. But here's the good news man. In today's digital age, YouTube is not just about sharing ideas. It is also a great way to earn money and connect with people worldwide. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube videos for free in under 1 hour. Are you ready? First, download CapCut from your app store. Here, I already have it downloaded. It works on both Android and iOS devices very well. Did you know that you can support me by subscribing so I can provide value to you and more needy ones who need my help? To make your videos engaging, generate a script using AI tools like Perplexity or ChatGPT. I call it digital slavery man because to be honest, this is the only field where you can boss around with no interruptions at all. At the beginning, open Perplexity and prompt it to generate a YouTube script. For example, type generate me a YouTube script with cats are chunky title and it will generate you. This will give you an easy to follow script. Open CapCut and select audio to record your voice. Don't worry, if you don't have an external microphone, your phone's mic works perfectly fine. Just like you. By the way, most of my videos are done without any external mic and it was done with my phone's mic, which was not bad at all. Use funny meme templates from IMG Flip or cool stock videos and pics from freepik and pexels.com. And to add fun sound effects like swooshes and whooshes, you can just visit CapCut inbuilt sound effects. And if needed, remove backgrounds from the stock pictures using remove.bg website. To make great videos, you only need 3 skills at all. The first one is keyframing, which simply means making things move smoothly from here to there. And another one is background music. Choose free music that fits the video's ambience. And background overlays. I mean adding overlays. Layer images creatively, which will help you stand out among the other creators. Don't worry, I'll cover all these 3 skills detailedly in the description below. And comment down below and let me know if you would like a video editing demo from me. Your video is ready. Upload it with YouTube Studio on your phone or computer. And turn the comments on if desired during the upload setting. But wait, are these steps really enough to make viral content? Now that you know how easy it is to create engaging YouTube videos quickly, yes, even more than how fast you reply your crush. The moral here is that creativity does not have to be hard. Sometimes all it takes is knowing where to look and being willing to try to new things. So go ahead, Start creating. And remember, every small step towards improving brings you closer to achieving your goals. Rome wasn't built in a day, man.